Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here with you today. My name is Karyn Thomas, and I'm going to teach you how to boost your sales in 10 minutes or less without having to spend a dime. So I hope you're really excited. I know I am. It's going to be a really great training. So, just a little bit about me. I am the co owner of multiple successful online brands, including privatelabelprofit.com. And my specialty is really in optimizing a product listing for the very best conversion rates. Now, what's really exciting is that many of my top clients and our own Amazon products can boast of conversion rates as high as 80%. So, what I have to teach you today is really effective and it's really easy to do. So, I think you're really going to find it helpful. So, listing optimization is really the key and it really is going to help you get more sales. So, here's a couple reviews I wanted to share with you from some of my students and some of my clients. So, this review says Karyn has helped me to reach double-digit conversion rates consistently. And on Prime Day, one of our products had a 60% conversion rate, which was insane, resulting in thousands of sales and our first six-figure sales day. Wow, that's pretty incredible, right? Here's another great review. If you're like me, numbers speak louder than words. How's this for results? Since launching our listing, we're converting at over 35% with just 4 reviews. And that's after raising our price to avoid stocking out. Pretty exciting stuff, right? So the reason I share these reviews is I want you to know that what I have to share is powerful and helpful even if it may seem really simple. So today I'm going to overhaul a real product listing with you in the next 10 minutes and I'm going to show you the latest optimization strategy that's working really well for me and for our students. So I chose this product listing because I've bought this product and I think there's a really big opportunity to make it even greater. I don't know what their current conversion rate is, but it's a great product. They just need to change a few things. And so today I want to focus on their bullet points and how to really make them pop and stand out and convince their customers to buy way more. So this is what their current bullet points read. So their first one says Try Gem Jewelry Stand by Umbra organizes and displays necklaces, bracelets, rings, and more. The next one, Steel Stand with powder-coated nickel bars, base with high gloss white finish. The next one, 3 bars provide ample storage. Extra tall design accommodates long necklaces. Tray at base holds rings and other small items. The next one measures 19 inches by 9 inches by 4 inches. And the last one, designed by Alan Wozniacki. Sorry, I'm not even going to try to say that. So, these aren't bad bullet points. They're pretty standard, but they're focusing more on the features of this product. And I'm all about connecting with the customer's emotional why. At the end of the day, you need to understand why your customer really wants to buy your product. We can get by and do great selling on features, but I want you to do more than great. I want you to excel and have these crazy sales days like some of the reviews I just shared with you. So here's what I would do when writing these bullet points from an emotional standpoint of why their customers really want to buy this product. Now, this is a product that I did buy, so I knew exactly why I wanted to buy it. But if it's a product that you're selling that you wouldn't normally buy, then there's a ton of great resources that you can get good ideas of why your customer really wants this product. You can look at great reviews from your own product or other product listings like yours to get a good idea of what really speaks to your customers. You can look at the customer question section in a product listing. You can look at product forums. You can even just Google why buy a jewelry stand in this example. There's so many great resources, but you need to understand what really drives your customers. So here's what I wrote for this product. The first bullet point, easily select your jewelry for the day. With our high-end jewelry organizer, you can quickly see all of your jewelry options instead of spending tons of time shuffling through jewelry box drawers trying to find your favorite pieces. It makes selecting the perfect jewelry to complement your outfit super easy and even fun. The next bullet point, a must-have for organization queens. If you're the type of woman that thrives on organization, you will get a high with our jewelry stand organizer. It will make a world of difference in your feng shui. So you can see as I'm writing these bullet points, I'm not only making them easy to read with emotion, with their emotional why, but I'm also putting in good keywords in there to help this product rank well for these keywords that are being searched. So let's look at the next bullet point. Say goodbye to tangled necklace nightmares. We've all been there, right? Running late for work and trying to untangle your necklace that perfectly completes your outfit. When your necklaces are hanging attractively on our extra tall necklace stand, you won't have to worry about tangled necklace messes ever again. So you can see that bullet point, I'm already getting them to start imagining how this is going to solve a problem for them, which is really important. All right, and this next bullet point reads, save time, keep your sanity. With your jewelry hanging neatly on our Umbra jewelry stand, you will save so much time trying to find your favorite jewelry items. It makes matching your necklaces, bracelets, and rings for the day so much easier when you can have everything beautifully displayed right in front of you. And the last bullet point, the perfect beauty decor. Nothing says femininity, elegance, and beauty like jewelry that is neatly and beautifully displayed. Set the perfect tone for your boudoir with our premium Umbra jewelry stand today. So you can already see that these bullet points are speaking more to someone like me that wants to buy this product. And I'm like, yes, this is totally why I want to buy this product. It solves a lot of the problems that a typical jewelry box has. And so I am sold. Now let's take this a step further and make these bullet points pop out even more. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to add emojis at the beginning of each of these bullet points. Now, just seeing that, do you see how it makes these bullets just pop right out of the page? It makes it so much easier to illustrate the point we're trying to make with each bullet point. And that's what's really going to help your customers be more engaged as they're trying to go through your product listing and read your bullet points. And they're going to think, wow, this is a cool, hip Amazon seller who really gets me and it's really fun. And emojis are so powerful. I mean, you think about Facebook ads and how they're just riddled with great emojis, or on Instagram, or even just texting with your friend. Emojis are really powerful and they're really fun, and they are great in your Amazon product listing to really help illustrate the point you're trying to get across. So let's talk about how to get and use these emojis and put them into your listing. So what I like to do is just go to Google and just search UTF code for wedding ring emoji. And then I like to use iEmoji. It's just this first one on the search results. And then what I do is I just scroll down, and then I just want to use the latest emoji code version. So in this case, it's iOS 5. And what you can do is you can just copy and paste this emoji into your seller account. And with some of them, it works great. And with other emojis, you may get an question mark. And so if that's the case, what I do is I just use this hexadecimal HTML entity, and I just copy that, and then I put that right into that bullet point field into my seller account. So super easy, right? But what's great is you get a great result, and you're really helping to engage with your customers more and make your listing more fun, vibrant, and exciting for them to read. So again, just a quick recap. We just went to Google and we searched UTF coding for wedding ring emoji, and I like to use iemoji.com. And then you can either just copy and paste that emoji character into your seller account, or you can just use that hexadecimal HTML entity, and then you'll have that show up live on your product listing. So it's pretty exciting, and I'm really excited for you to try it for yourself and to get the great results of higher conversion rates and more sales, which is what we all want at the end of the day, right? So in review, you really want to understand your customer's why for buying your product. And you can get some really good ideas just looking through product reviews and product forums and questions and just Googling it. There's so many great resources available to you to really get inside your customer's head. And then you want to speak to your customers' why in each of your bullet points. Address their doubts and fears. Help them to already imagine what it's going to be like owning your product and how it's going to make their life so much better. And then lastly, you want to use emojis to illustrate each of your bullet points. Now, it can be the same emoji. Let's say you want to use a fire emoji for each of your bullet points, or a heart, or a star, or a ring, or whatever the emoji you choose. It can be the same for each bullet point, or you can have a different one like I had to show a different emoji for each idea that I'm trying to portray.